You can come and put your gumboots on with Mum?
Tess has a wonderful life. 3 children, a part-time job, a husband working full-time, and her chickens.
Oh, look, there's lots of eggs. One for Mum. Yeah, ta. Great.
After a year of rising mortgage repayments and other cost of living pressures, she's in a place she never thought she'd be.
I don't think I've ever spent this much time looking at the finances and really saying, like, can we afford life insurance? Can we afford to go to the dentist? I'm sorry.
The Reserve Bank has found household budgets are under pressure, but our banks have enough money to survive any losses. Many borrowers are also unable to refinance because they no longer meet serviceability rules. Before rates started rising, about 25% of low-income households were in mortgage stress, spending more than a third of their income keeping a roof over their head. Now it's 45%. In wealthy households, even after rates have rocketed, just 5% are in mortgage stress.
This pressure means that we will be seeing households cutting back on discretionary spending and really focusing on their mortgage repayments, their rent payments and their essential goods and services spending as well.
The RBA also said while global financial stability risks have increased, our system is strong. Banks here are calm overall.
We're seeing very low loan arrears across our portfolio, and supply chain, labour shortages and weather are starting to normalise in some industries.
It looks...
But business is seeing warning signs.
So that was the first test case for it.
Yeah.
So what it does is allows customers to see...
Bill Gremos started this website selling couches, barbecues and linen, and he's feeling the heat.
It's difficult. There's a rising business cost, there's rising household costs, so there's challenges ahead, that's for sure.
We need to be able to randomise the products.
Yeah, you do.
Because I
Consumer confidence has plunged.
If your household's under pressure and you've got higher mortgage rates or your electricity bills are going through the roof or whatever the case, I mean the cost of living sort of pressures that people are experiencing at the moment are coming from all angles.
Putting businesses under pressure.
I think they've exhausted all their cash reserves, particularly the government subsidies, and we're starting to see them feel, I think, some pinch points.
The Reserve Bank has been lifting interest rates to try and curb soaring inflation. But it comes after a decade of stagnant wage growth and at a time when rising prices and corporate profit-taking are increasing the pressure on Australians. By the end of the year, the RBA predicts that 15% of borrowers will be going backwards, with living expenses and mortgage repayments exceeding their income.
And it's getting to each paycheck and going, pay that bill and pay that bill and how much have we got left, you know? And I kind of feel like our income is reasonable. Like, I don't know what's happening to people that are on a lower income, you know, and it must be really, really hard for some of those people.
Should we get the rest of the eggs?
Our problems coming home to roost.